Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zaf and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get to the question. So our today's question is, which statement is true regarding rules in QuickBooks Online Accountant? A option where user can be assessed more than one role. B option admin role, users can change their own role. C, all roles can be customized to add or move access to some areas. D option where users can be assigned specific lines regardless of their firm role. The correct answer of the question is the correct statement regarding rules in QuickBooks Online Accountant is C option. All rules can be customized to add or remove access to some areas. So that the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.